This is a laser gun, and it shoots lasers. So I'm here to tell you how to make one of these yourself. You can make it out of a Nerf gun, for example. This is what this used to fit into. The switch went right here. Laser fit in this little module. But this is very easy. And we're gonna go down the material list. First thing you're going to need is two 18650 3.7 volt batteries. So these, for example, these are on Amazon. These work. You can just use some of these. And you also need a battery charger. So specifically an 18650 battery charger. That's $16 combined. You can buy a bundle where you get two of these and a charger, or you can buy them separate. Separate might cost more. Two of them are specifically only for this laser. This laser is 3 watts, I think. I'm not sure I remember. Two 18650. Next thing you're gonna need is the holder. So I don't know why it says 4-piece. Actually, yes, I do. On Amazon, when you are looking to buy this stuff, they are gonna come in like 4. They're gonna come in like bundles of 4, and all you need is a 2-piece one where it holds 2 batteries. You're gonna get a 3 battery holder and a 4 and a 1. It's pretty useful if you need the other 3 for other projects, if you want to build others, which are going to be on my channel. I'm going to post more tutorials for more cool crap you can build, and that's what you're gonna need. 18650s, best batteries for lasers, in my opinion. And the next thing you're going to need is a DC switch, 12 volts. So since each of these is 3.7 volts, as you can see right there near the negative charge terminal, it says 3.7 volts. So you're going to need a 12 volt DC switch, DC as in direct current, as ACs are going to mess up your whole thing. So if you look at this switch, this is a simple one. I'm not sure where I ripped this out of, but it's obviously just a rocker switch. It's pretty easy to set them up. So wherever the on part is, O is always, well, not always, O is usually the off position. So this would be turning it on, this would be off. So if you look at the side, this is where the load is going to be, and this is where your batteries are going to be hooked up. So for example, I mean right here, you can see in the example, let's see here. Okay, so these are where the wires from the batteries come out. So they come out, you can't see it because I disguised it with this tape, so it looks more streamlined. They come out and they come to the bottom of this rocker switch right here. So when you flip this on, these are going to travel through, obviously, and they're going to come out of this part. So what I'm saying is that the batteries, you want the batteries to hook up to the bottom part. This is positive, this is negative. Black is obviously negative, red is positive. So red is going to be on one side, negative is going to be on another. I'll get into that in another video to actually show you how to build one. So that is maybe $8. This is like the cheapest build you can do for a laser, unless you just buy some crap online, some eBay crap. I will show you where to get one of those in this video too, if you don't want to build one. I think building a laser is much better, and you feel way more prideful after building one instead of buying one. Anyway, next thing is going to be buck boost converter. If you look right here on this laser, this is a buck boost. So all laser diodes are very sensitive. They're very sensitive to all electricity, all current, all volts, whatever. So you need this. And what this does, they're not usually always called buck boosts. But I would recommend this model for the laser I'm trying to show you to build. So what that does is, hold on, maybe I can show you. This restricts how many volts and the amount of current that goes through the batteries into the laser. So this is 3.7 volts. If I turn this on, you can't see it, but the laser's right there. You can see it. Bang! Don't look into the laser. It's outputting 4 volts and it goes up to 3 amps. It's like ramping up the amps. So to be $15. Next, you need 16 gauge wire, which is it's just wire. So this is 16 gauge. I don't think you actually need 16 gauge. You can get a smaller kind of wire. You don't need that big. Next, we need heat shrink tubing. This is optional. You don't need this. My first model didn't have this, and you don't need it. You can use electrical tape. You can use hot glue. That's optional. $7. You get tons of it. You're not gonna have to buy it for like a year. That's good. And if you have the money, you get that. Electrical tape, $4. This is if you don't get the heat shrink. So you're saving $3. Just get the heat shrink. Electrical tape. This is electrical tape. It prevents electricity from running through it, like low levels. 12 volts is pretty low, so it won't travel through. It also makes it look better, so you can mask your gun. Like this. I had it all wrapped in electrical tape. I shrunk it down, so it looked like a car wrap. It was great. It was a black gun, and I stripped it all down to make my current model. Next thing, your laser diode. This is the thing that actually shoots the laser. Get a blue. Blue is the cheapest option. If you want a different color, you can. It's going to be considerably more expensive though. Like green. Green is cool. Just look up laser diode. You'll know what you're looking for. Next you need is a 9mm heatsink. Make sure both are 9mm. Heatsink is because the lasers get very hot and they can fry themselves, and then you're gonna have to buy a new laser diode. And this can be really bad if you buy an expensive one, up to like $80 of a diode, and it gets fried because it gets too hot. Make sure your stuff doesn't run too hot. This is my heatsink, and you just kind of put your little laser inside. You can see. I also have a thermal paste around. That's what that little like white outline is. Thermal paste, it's really cheap. It's worth it. I'm not sure how much this was. Probably like $3, honestly. I got 2 tubes. 2 little tubes. They run out pretty quick if you're not applying it correctly. You don't need that much at all. Like maybe as much as like toothpaste you put on your toothbrush. Just like a little pea size. Now, so to make a laser gun look cool, put it in like a Nerf gun if you're trying to be cheap. Most guys that are watching this video probably have a Nerf gun laying around, like a little Nerf pistol. Here's another laser gun I've got. This one only takes one 18650. Make a cool looking laser gun. Make it look awesome. Make it look freaky. I don't care. Make a cool looking laser gun. I have LEDs I bought to put on my laser gun. They used to like wrap around this one. I'd turn them on. It'd be like a Christmas tree all around my gun. It'd be epic. These are really cheap. Get these on like AliEx. Like $1. And, you know, do anything to it. This, I got the wrong model because I didn't know what I was doing. This was supposed to track how much charge was left in the gun. I mean, in the batteries. Right there. Right there. Oh, it kind of works. 3.7 volts. Okay, it's measuring out volts. Yeah, I don't know what I bought. This was supposed to track charge. I think that's everything. I lied. this is what you needed. Now I'm picking up my camera. Here we go. One of these. You can buy this. I'm not sure. Probably like 10, 15 bucks. This is awesome. I didn't have one of these before I did my laser stuff. But this thing is used so you can hold wires in place and look at them. You can look and they hold them in place so you don't need like two people, or you don't need to like carefully put them together. So when you go to solder it to put heat shrink on, they don't like go apart and you have to do it again. This thing's awesome. I'm yet to use it. This thing is so cool. I was just using it to prop my camera up. Okay, good luck, guys.